In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose keywords that sell on KDP. This is a one-on-one guide for beginners diving into the world of Kindle Direct Publishing, where finding the right keywords can make all the difference in getting your book noticed and increasing your sales. Let's start with one of the most powerful tools at our disposal, right under our noses, the Amazon search bar. This step is all about diving into Amazon itself, your future sales platform. Spend some time typing in potential keywords related to your book's topic, genre, or niche. As you type, pay close attention to the auto-complete suggestions that show up. These are not just random suggestions. They're generated based on real user searches, indicating popular terms people are actively looking for. Jot down these keywords because they'll lead us to our next point, selecting keywords with high demand yet low competition. Now, what does high demand and low competition really mean in the world of KDP? Basically, we're looking for keywords that lots of people are searching for, but not too many publishers are using. High demand implies there's an audience eager to buy books like yours. Low competition suggests your book has a strong chance to appear in search results when someone uses that keyword. To refine your keywords further and gauge demand versus competition, tools like Publisher Rocket can provide valuable insights, offering data on how many books are competing for that keyword, and even how often they're searched. This is incredibly handy because it saves you from guessing and guides you towards informed decisions. As we navigate through the sea of potential keywords, a crucial reminder is to steer clear of irrelevant or misleading terms. Although it's tempting to use buzzwords to increase visibility, stick to keywords that genuinely reflect your book's content. Misleading keywords might give you a quick uptick in clicks, but they can severely damage your reputation with readers, who will likely leave negative reviews if the content doesn't match their search expectations. Maintaining authenticity with your keywords paves the way for building trust with potential buyers and ensuring that the right audience finds your book. Finally, once you've gathered and refined your list, it's time to enter these golden keywords during your KDP setup. In the Kindle Direct Publishing dashboard, there's a designated section for keywords. This is where you input those carefully selected terms. Think of this step as planting seeds in fertile soil. You're setting the stage for your book to sprout and thrive in the marketplace. Be strategic with your choices. Balance between broader terms that have mass appeal and niche phrases that attract a more targeted audience. And there you have it, a roadmap to choosing keywords that truly sell on KDP. By combining research, strategic thinking, and authenticity, you can position your book for success in the competitive world of online publishing. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.